Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to rent movies on Amazon Prime Video. This is a great option when you want to watch the latest releases without committing to a full purchase, giving you temporary access to stream your chosen film. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, look at the top toolbar where you'll see various options. Click on Prime Video to access the streaming platform. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can open Prime Video directly in your web browser by typing it into the address bar, which will take you straight to the service. Now that you're in Prime Video, it's time to find the movie you want to rent. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a search button. Click on it, then type the title of the movie you're looking for and press enter. If you're not sure what you want to watch yet, you can also click on Movies in the top toolbar to browse through available options. This gives you a broader view of what's currently available for rent or purchase. Once you've found your movie, click on it from the search results. This will take you to the movie's dedicated page where you'll see all the details, including the synopsis, cast, and viewing options. Here's where you'll find the Rent HD button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with the rental. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. The rent option may not be available for all movies or in all countries. Prime Video content varies depending on your location, so some films might only be available for purchase in certain regions, while others might be completely unavailable. If you're using a VPN, this can also affect what content you can access and rent. After clicking Rent HD, you'll be directed to the checkout page. Here, choose your preferred payment method from the options available on your account. Complete the payment process to finalize your rental. Amazon will process the transaction, and you'll receive confirmation once everything is set. Once your rental is confirmed, you can start watching right away. Simply open your video library or return to the movies page and you'll see the option to begin streaming. Your rental period will typically last for a specific number of days, giving you plenty of time to watch the film at your convenience. And that's it. You've successfully rented a movie on Amazon Prime Video and can now enjoy your chosen film whenever you're ready. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.